Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Learning Made Easy. This time I'm going to upload MCQ practice for the poem Meera Ke Pad grade 10. Okay, we'll be practicing few MCQ questions, those which I found different. I've included that in my video. And as you know, this poem is coming for the term 1 examination. Meera Ke Pad is all about, this poem is where Meerabai speaks about her love towards Shri Krishna. Okay, if you have not watched my detailed explanation on the poem, I'll be giving the link in description box. As you can see, Meera Ke Pad is written by Meerabai, born in the year 1503 Jodhpur, passed away in the year 1546. So let's start the video. Let's start the MCQ practice. Shri Krishna किसकी साड़ी को पढ़ाते चले गए? This is from the first stanza of the poem, where it is being said that Shri Krishna has, or the God has, helped many people in different ways, in which one of them was where he is increasing sadi of some person. Okay, who is it, in order to help her? So who is that person? मीरा की, राधा की, द्रौपदी की, इनमें से कोई नहीं. The correct option is option C, Draupadi ki, right? If you have watched my session, or if you have attended your session in school as well, you can easily answer this one. Maybe you already know them also. So Shri Krishna helped Draupadi by increasing the cloth of her sari. Next question. मीरा के भक्ति भाव का साम्राज्य कैसे बढ़ेगा? The kingdom of love of Mirabai towards God, how will it increase according to her? Options. मीरा के कृष्ण के पास रहने से, मीरा के नृत्य करने से, मीरा के गली गली घूमने से, मीरा के दोहे लिखने से. The correct option is option A, मीरा के कृष्ण के पास रहने से. So how does her love increase? By always staying very close to Shri Krishna. Option A. Next question. बूढ़ तो गजराज राखियो काटी कुंजर पीर, पंक्ति पर भाव प्रकट करें. This is also a way how a question will be asked to you. That is, a line from the poem will be given and then they'll ask you to explain. Of course, you don't have to write because it is MCQ, so it is more easy. So we have to explain this line. बूढ़ तो गजराज राखियो. Gajraj word, when it comes itself, you know, Gajraj means king of elephants, right? Airavat is known as the king of elephants. So helping the king of elephants, Airavat or Gajaraj, Kati Kunjar Peer, using some kind of wooden axe or something like that. Okay, the Airavat was being helped using some sword or something, you can say. Magarmach was killed actually. Kati Kunjar Peer means a Magarmach was killed by God and helped the elephant. Magarmach means crocodile. Okay, so we have to explain this line. Let's see the correct option. Which one is it? जैसे आपने ऐरावत को मगरमच्छ से बचाया, जैसे आपने इंद्र को मगरमच्छ से बचाया, जैसे आपने भगवान को मगरमच्छ से बचाया, उपरोक्त सभी. Of course, Airavat was helped from Magarmach, as I said, right? Airavat means king of elephants, Gajraj. So option A is the right answer. Hari aap haro janri bheer. We have to explain this. हे ईश्वर, जैसे आपने अपने सभी भक्तों को के दुख हरे, मीन्स यू हैड रिमूव डिफ़िकल्टीज ऑफ ऑल योर बिलीवर्स, मेरे भी कष्ट हरो, प्लीज़ रिमूव माई डिफ़िकल्टी टू. हे प्रभु मेरी पीर हरो, हे प्रभु हरिजन की पीर हरो, कोई नहीं. So of course option A is the right answer. You must be already knowing if you have attended my earlier session on Meera Ke Pad. Right? Option A is the right answer. मीरा श्री कृष्ण के पास रहने के कौन से फ़ायदे बताती है? What are the advantages or benefits? फ़ायदा means benefits that Mirabai says, you know, when she is always close to God, what are the benefits she is going to get according to her? उसे हमेशा दर्शन प्राप्त होंगे, उसे श्री कृष्ण को याद करने की ज़रूरत नहीं होगी, उसकी भाव भक्ति का साम्राज्य बढ़ता जाएगा, उपरोक्त सभी. Option means first option, she can always visit, okay, Shri Krishna. Second, she will no need to remember God anymore because always he is staying next to her. Third, her love for God is going to increase. Or fourth option, all of the above. So of course, fourth option, sabhi, is the correct answer. All of the above. All these three benefits are being spoken about having Shri Krishna next to Mirabai. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, मीरा आधी रात को श्री कृष्ण को कहाँ पर मिलना चाहती है? मीराबाई सेज दैट इन द मिडल ऑफ द नाइट ऑल्सो आई जस्ट वॉन्ट टू मीट यू, प्लीज़ कम हियर. वेयर इज़ दैट प्लेस इज़ द क्वेश्चन. अपने घर पर, घर की छत पर, यमुना के तट पर, मंदिर में. यस, यू आर राइट. ऑप्शन सी, यमुना नदी के तट पर, मीन्स यमुना रिवर्स shore. Please come over there. I want to meet you, is what Mirabai says. Next question. मीरा श्री कृष्ण को पाने के लिए क्या क्या करने को तैयार है? In order to get Shri Krishna, what all is she ready to do? बाग बगीचे लगाने को, ऊंचे महल बनाने को, दासी बनने को, सभी. So, she's ready to make a garden for Shri Krishna, ready to make a big palace, she's ready to become a servant, or all of the above. Of course, she's ready to do all these three things. So, option D, sabhi, is the correct answer. किसको बचाने के लिए श्री कृष्ण ने नरसिंह का रूप धारण किया था? So, Shri Krishna, in order to help one of his follower, he was ready to get into the form of Narasimha, means lion. Okay, so to whom was he trying to help by becoming a lion? भक्त प्रहलाद, भक्त ऐरावत, भक्त अहलावत, सभी. Of course, the right answer is भक्त प्रहलाद. प्रहलाद को बचाने के लिए, ऑप्शन ए. सुमरन पासियों खर्ची का क्या तात्पर्य है? दिस लाइन, व्हाट डज इट मीन? जेब खर्च के रूप में प्रभु स्मरण का उपहार पाऊंगी. जेब खर्च के लिए बहुत रुपए मिलेंगे, याद करने से ही पैसे प्राप्त हो जाएंगे, इनमें से कोई नहीं. Option A is the correct answer. That is in the form of money or pocket money. I just want Prabhu Smaran, means memories of my God. Remembrance of my God is enough in the form of money. I don't need anything else, is what Mirabai says. So correct answer is option A. Shri Krishna ji गाय कहाँ चराते हैं? Where does Shri Krishna graze his cattle or his cows? Where does he graze? मथुरा में, वृंदावन में, द्वारका में, आगरा में. Correct answer is option B, वृंदावन में. Okay, in the garden. हिवड़ो घणो अधीरा का क्या अर्थ है? These are lines from the poem. What is the meaning of that? हृदय बहुत मजबूत है, हृदय घड़े के समान है, हृदय मिलन के लिए अधीर है, हृदय बहुत पीड़ित है. करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी, हृदय मिलन के लिए अधीर है. इट मीन्स दैट आई कैन नॉट वेट एनी मोर, आई एम रेस्टलेस, माई हार्ट, माई हृदय, माई हार्ट इज रेस्टलेस, आई जस्ट वॉन्ट टू मीट यू श्री कृष्ण. ओके, दैट इज द मीनिंग. सो ऑप्शन सी इज द राइट आंसर. मीरा का विवाह कहाँ के राजा के साथ हुआ? Now I get questions from the learners that ma'am, will question be asked from the about the author. In the beginning you have about the author. So from that will question be asked? Yes. For 1 to 2 marks you can get questions from there. Okay. So this is one of them. मीरा का विवाह कहाँ के राजा? Which place king was Mirabai married to? चित्तौड़ के राजा, मेवाड़ के राजा, जयपुर के राजा, उदयपुर के राजा. The correct answer is option. Yes, it is option B, मेवाड़ के राजा. I myself got confused. I always get confused between option A and B. You shouldn't. Okay? The correct answer is option B, मेवाड़ के राजा के साथ. चीर का क्या अर्थ है? चीर, काटना, चीरना, वस्त्र, फाड़ना. ऑप्शन सी, वस्त्र. ओके, साड़ी का कपड़ा जो बढ़ाया था श्री कृष्ण ने, दैट इज वेयर दिस इज यूज. चीर मीन्स वस्त्र, क्लोथ, ड्रेस. ओके, ऑप्शन सी. ओके, सो दिस इज एज मच एज आई कुड डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ MCQs I have tried to include. Rest assured will be very easy questions from the poem, don't worry. Okay, do check out my video if you have not watched, where I have in detail explain this poem. Okay, so thank you so much, and thank you so much for the comments that you send me. Really, I must say, I mean, the way you appreciate my channel and the way you appraise it, you you share it with your friends, and when you tell me that you're able to score more better marks because of my videos, it makes my day. I'm really, really happy. Thank you so much. Keep supporting. I'll keep helping you. Bye bye.